In today's video, I'm going to show you how to undo in CapCut quickly and easily, whether you just made a mistake, deleted the wrong clip, or changed something you want to bring back. This is one of the most useful shortcuts to know when you're editing, because it can save you time and help you move faster without worrying about every small error. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're inside your CapCut project, the first and fastest way to undo something is by using your keyboard. On Windows or a keyboard with a Control key, simply press Ctrl+Z. That will instantly undo your last action. If you just added text, moved a clip, applied an effect, or made any other recent change, pressing Ctrl+Z will step backward one action at a time. This is the method most editors use because it is quick, easy, and works while you're actively editing. If you're on a device where keyboard shortcuts are available, this is usually the best option to remember. Now, if you don't want to use the keyboard, CapCut also gives you an undo button right inside the editor. Look at the toolbar just above the timeline. You'll see the undo icon there, and all you need to do is click it once to reverse your last action. This is especially helpful if you're editing with a mouse and want to make corrections without using shortcuts. Just like the keyboard method, each click takes you back one step, so if you made several changes, you can keep clicking undo until you get back to the version you want. If you ever undo too far, don't worry, because CapCut usually also includes a redo option so you can move forward again if needed. That gives you a little extra flexibility while editing. The main thing to remember is that undo is there to help you work confidently. So if you accidentally trim the wrong part, delete media by mistake, or make a change you don't like, just use Ctrl+Z or click the undo icon above the timeline. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference while editing in CapCut. If this quick tutorial helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.